Are you familiar with the captivating allure of love at first sight, where the world seems to pause as you lock your eyes with someone? We've all been there, but as time goes on, the fiery intensity often fizzles out, leaving us questioning whether it was just a short burst of honeymoon phase fireworks or a love meant to last. And it's not just about instant attractions. Sometimes we find ourselves drawn to people who may not be the perfect match for a long-term relationship, yet we feel an irresistible urge to sustain the connection. These experiences raise a fundamental question. How do we decipher whether a connection is rooted in chemistry or compatibility? In this video, we'll dive into how chemistry and compatibility shapes relationships. We'll explore the complexities of human connections and uncover the key differences between chemistry and compatibility. So join us as we embark on a journey of self-discovery and learn how to build relationships that stand the test of time. Compatibility and chemistry are two essential elements that play a significant role in shaping our relationships. Let's dive into each aspect to understand the unique characteristics and how they impact our romantic connections. Chemistry. As human beings, we are inherently wired to seek companionship and procreation. This primal instinct manifests as the initial physical response and attraction we experience towards a person, is what we commonly refer to as chemistry. Relationship coach Alex Scott aptly describes chemistry as the captivating pull we feel towards someone, accompanied by heat, intensity, and immediacy. Have you ever experienced a moment where time seemed to stand still as you locked your eyes with someone? Your heart raced, pupils dilated, and you feel butterflies in your stomach? These physical indications are clear signs of chemistry at play. An elevated heart rate, sweaty palms, and a rush of blood to your lower regions are all telltale signs that your body is responding to this magnetic connection. While chemistry sparks the initial fire, compatibility is the foundation that sustains the flames of love over time. Compatibility is the bedrock of a strong and enduring relationship, a profound connection that goes beyond the initial sparks of chemistry. As Claire A.H., the matchmaker, puts it, compatibility is about the various elements of lifestyle, values, and goals that align harmoniously with each other, shaping the very foundation of your interactions with your partner. One crucial aspect of compatibility is the couple's ability to get along, negotiate, and compromise. These skills allow partners to handle conflicts and challenges with understanding and empathy, working towards solutions that benefit both individuals. Additionally, a compatible couple respects each other's boundaries, acknowledging and appreciating each other's individuality, while also fostering a sense of togetherness. So how do you decipher the difference? Chemistry is like the first chapter of a thrilling novel. It's the excitement, the anticipation, and the irresistible pull that brings two people together. It's the surface level, instinctual desire that sparks relationships to begin. As Alex Scott points out, chemistry is relatively easy to establish, fueled by physical attraction, shared interests, and that magnetic pull you feel towards someone. It's what makes your heart race and your palms sweat when you're around that special someone. On the other hand, compatibility is the foundation that sustains the relationship beyond the initial infatuation. It encompasses a wide range of elements such as shared values, effective communication, problem-solving skills, and the ability to work as a team. Compatibility allows partners to navigate life's challenges together, supporting and understanding each other along the way. It's the emotional and mental alignment that creates a deep connection and fosters a sense of security within the relationship. To determine whether your relationship leans more towards chemistry or compatibility, consider the events and experiences you share with your partner. An ideal relationship should have a balance between chemistry and compatibility. If you find yourself logging plenty of chemistry events, passionate intimacy, thrilling adventures, and exciting dates, but lack compatibility events like problem solving, compromising, and working together, it may signal an imbalance. How can confusing chemistry for compatibility potentially impact your relationship? Confusing chemistry for compatibility can have significant consequences on your relationship, impacting your mental, emotional, and even physical well-being. While chemistry brings about those warm, fuzzy butterfly feelings, it is compatibility that provides stability and resilience in partnership. One of the potential risks of prioritizing chemistry over compatibility is that it may lead you to remain in toxic relationships for far too long. The allure of intense chemistry can overshadow red flags and mistreatment, making it difficult to recognize and address unhealthy dynamics. The more you focus on the thrilling rush of chemistry, the easier it becomes to justify staying in a relationship that is ultimately detrimental to your happiness and well-being. Moreover, when a relationship is predominantly built on chemistry without sufficient compatibility, it can burn hot and then burn out quickly, leaving you with a sense of disappointment and emptiness. The initial connection may seem intense and passionate, but as time goes on, you may realize that there isn't enough compatibility to sustain the bond. Falling head over heels for someone can be exhilarating, but if you don't have the underlying compatibility, you may find yourself facing challenges and difficulties that become increasingly apparent as you get to know each other on a deeper level. The defining problem arises when there is significant mismatch between chemistry and compatibility. Having intense chemistry without enough compatibility can result in short-lived romances that fizzle out once the initial excitement wanes. Conversely, having strong compatibility without sufficient chemistry may lead to a platonic or friendship-like relationship that lacks the passion and emotional connection needed for a romantic partnership. It is essential to understand that chemistry and compatibility can indeed coexist and form the foundation of wonderful relationships. However, time is a critical factor in determining the lasting potential of a connection. Rushing into a relationship solely based on intense chemistry without taking the time to assess compatibility can lead to disappointments and misalignments with your long-term goals and desires. Before jumping into a relationship driven solely by chemistry, take the time to explore if there's more to the connection. Invest in getting to know your partner on a deeper level, assessing if your values, lifestyles, and goals align. By understanding the interplay of chemistry and compatibility, you can build a relationship that thrives on both passion and stability, enriching your lives in profound and meaningful ways. Building a lasting and fulfilling relationship involves prioritizing both chemistry and compatibility. Embracing the excitement of chemistry while nurturing the deeper connection of compatibility lays the groundwork for a love that endures and flourishes over time. And there you have it, a fascinating journey into how chemistry and compatibility shape relationships. We've explored the magnetic allure of chemistry, the essential foundation of compatibility, and the delicate dance between the two in fostering meaningful connections. Remember, while chemistry may ignite the spark, it's compatibility that keeps the flame burning bright. A perfect balance between the two is the key to creating a love that stands the test of time, supporting each other through life's ups and downs. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends. And if you want to see more captivating content on love, relationships, and human connections, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration. Until next time, take care, spread love, and keep learning.